Hey, this is Carl Jr., the OC car guy, Gary Brown, hosting. We're getting ready to do some awards presentation, I think. He's got the microphone in hand. And we got Jeff over there checking out the trophies and the cards. Willie's stepping up to buy a raffle ticket. Willie's Automotive on Huntington Beach. He's feeling lucky.
Okay, we're going to start our trophy awards.
Here we go.
We will sell tickets throughout the awards, so if you haven't bought tickets, there's still plenty of time.
Someone's going home with trophies.
Our first category this evening, Sweetest Ride, sponsored by the Buena Park Elks Emblem Club. Goes to car number 55, a 1944 two-door Ken from Huntington Beach.
All right, Huntington Beach. Yeah. Oh, that's Ken Fulmer from Huntington Beach. That 44. Wow. Hey, Ken.
Are you kidding me? I got this one. Smile, can you?
Ken, Gary. Oh, how about that? Wow, he's a newlywed too.
Congratulations, Ken. Thank you for coming to Carl's.
Yeah.
I don't remember everything.
Our next category, Best Truck. This is in memory of Ray Thornton. Goes to car number 52, a 1952 Chevy Panel.
Whoa! All the
Whoa!
way from down under. I think that's Rose from Missouri.
Maryland in SW, Australia.
Yeah, they're here. They're nearby. Where are they? Yeah. Yeah. How about that? Okay. All right, smile. Cool.
We bought it from Sherman Oaks up here near Palmdale. Last August we drove it over there, and then this trip we drove it back. We've done about 6,000 miles. That's nice. Thanks, guys.
How cool is that? Way to go, Rose.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Rose. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Best Original. Sponsored by the OC Car Guy. Goes to car number 13, a 1965 Ford Mustang. Larry from Audio.
Whoa, Larry Reinhardt. Hey. Wow, wow, wow. Way to go, Larry. Ooh, congratulations, Larry. Hey. Gotcha.
Congratulations, Larry. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Project Car, sponsored by West Coast Muffler. Goes to car number 68, a 1963 Chevy C10. Steve from Huntington
Whoa! Steve Migliori and son, Stevie-O. Let's go, Stevie-O. Cool, yeah.
Congratulations, Steve. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Best Detailed, sponsored by SoCal Car Culture, goes to car number 70, a 1932 Ford Roadster Tom from Costa Mesa.
Whoa, Tom Brenneman, Hot Rod, Tom. Right behind you, Hot Rod. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Hot Rod Tom Brenneman. All right, Tom. Cool. How about that? Wow.
Congratulations, Tom. Thank you for coming to Carl's.
Cindy, how about that? Your hubby's a winner. Huh? Look at, yeah, huh?
Sponsored by the Vet the Vet organization out of Long Beach. Goes to car number 5. A 1956 Ford F100. Ron and Cindy.
Ron and Cindy. There's Ron. Where's Cindy?
Cindy's at home.
Oh, okay.
There you go, kid. Thank you, sir.
Hey, Ron.
Safety.
Run. Cool. There you go.
Congratulations, Ron. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Thank you for your service. Our next category, Best Street Rod, sponsored by the Buena Park Elks Lodge, goes to car number 28, a 1937 Chevy Harold from Westminster.
Harold! Harold! Here's Harold. Oh yeah, that's that straight axle gasser.
Yes, sir.
Made famous at Donor Derelicts.
All righty. Thank you. There you go.
Gotcha. All right, cool.
All righty.
Congratulations, Harold. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, muscle car, sponsored by the OC Car Guy, goes to car number 31, a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, Rick from Riverside.
Rick from Riverside. Look at that. Way to go, Rick. Mopar or no car, right? It's around there. Yeah. All right. Smile, guys. Gotcha. Thanks.
Congratulations, Rick. Thank you.
How about that, huh?
Coming to Carl's. Our next category, Best Ford, sponsored by Dave's Tropies, goes to car number 26, a 1941 Ford sedan delivery. Todd from Garden Grove.
Todd. Here's Todd. Clear path. All right, Todd. All right. Smile, fellas.
Thank you.
Gotcha.
Congratulations, Todd. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Best GM, sponsored by Hilco Fastener Warehouse, goes to car number 39. A 1951 Chevy convertible.
Whoa!
Bobby and Carol from Placencia.
Bobby, them! It's cool 5-1. Woohoo! Way to go, Bobby! Hey, Bobby! Hey, Bobby! Smile right there. Get there with Gary. Get there with Gary. Pull it back here. Okay. All right. Cool. Congratulations. Yeah.
Congratulations, Bobby and Carol. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our final category, Best of Show, is sponsored by Roy Ray Insurance Services. Goes to car number 24, a 1955 Chevy 210, Joe from Orange.
Joe from Orange. 55 210. That'd be a post. Best of show.
Thanks.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey, there you have it.
Congratulations, Joe. Thank you for coming to Carl's.